Shut up. Hollow to the nose. It's like 1 in the morning. We're in Smith's right now. I have some cravings for steak, so we're gonna get steak right now. Oh my god. Do you have any idea how bad that hurt? That actually really hurt. Oh, I'm gonna give birth out of my arm. I'm playing tug of war right now.
Tidy! Tidy!
Bestiality! Bestiality! I'm done. You think you're slick, huh? Filming me and doing all this shit without my consent. Ow! Charlie, scared. That's right, Charlie. Rape his ass. Leg is me. Me is leg. Hello, I'm here with Coop Legend. Say hello, hello. Hello. Doing a saltine challenge. I'm supposed to eat 6 in 1 minute. Zach, tell me when it hits 146.
Go. I lied.
More.
Okay.
Ah.
Really? You didn't really count that, did you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh. Look at you, counter. Look who knows his ABCs.
Go. Thumbs up. Made alpha mailing at the moment. Got a water brother. Shut the up, Zach. Shut the up, Zach. Can you not? Would you not right now? Rejected. Sneeze about. I suck. My little babies.
Turn on! Get in!
Oh! Currently getting my hair styled. Come on, make me a ponytail.
Okay,
Make
Gabby, give me the ponytail so I can do it like a pickle boom. I'm scared.
Look at this slave. Long time no sneeze about. Hey, I haven't seen you in so long. Where have you been? Look at this dude trying to be slick. Want to touch it.
Hear me go. Okay. Right. Go.
Hippity.
Okay.
Look at him hopping over my shit. Oh, it is. It's making one of his.
Oh shit!
Oh, shit. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm so dead. It just killed me. In the arms of the angel. Shut up, Zach. Justin didn't do his ice bucket challenge, so he got ice bucketed anyway.
Try speak! Try speak! Try speak! Speak! Try speak! Try speak! Ready, fight? There you go. Shut up!
Oh, they got 2 buckets. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You just bust your ass. So Andrew got a new friend.
You wanna let me try
and
porn,
he
Michael?
keeps shut up. he keeps stalling it, and he's a failure in life. But I'm most likely gonna do a lot worse.
Get your exhaust fumes all over me. Fine. There you go. I'm back.
Look at how I'm zoomed in as shit. God damn.
Did you get my eyeball?
Yeah, I got a few.
A few.
Got a few of your eyeballs. I got like 7 of them. Shut up. Ah! What the? Bromance.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Shut
good
up.
for my first
You
time,
shut
Michael.
up. Shut up. Shut up, Zach.
Is that pretty good?
Shut up. Shut up.
Now, we got 24 hours to get to the extraction point. 24 hours.
Shut up, I can film me whenever I want. Look at my hair.
I don't give a f.
I look like someone died on my face and took a shit.
Don't go in the bathroom and smell.
What the hell are you talking about? Okay, haul to the north. So I'm gonna end the video here. Shout out to these guys.
Hi.
Shout out. I love you. So since we're not moving at the moment currently, I forgot to explain that as well. Because we were supposed to move in September 15th, but we're not. Turns out we're moving like sometime December or something. So we put everything back, as you can sneeze about. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment below. If you haven't yet, please feel free to subscribe to this channel, my gaming channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah! Ow.